Namaskar, Sastri Akal, guys. So, I am going to further explain what I have explained you earlier. It's a further extension of video which we have discussed in last lecture. So, I am going to again derive some formulae so you will be able to understand what we have learned in last lecture. So, let's get started with some formulae which are required for your further upcoming videos or for your new chapter. Means some topic are there in that, so we need to understand. So there must be formula, we have to know this. Unless until we can't do this without knowing the formula, it's very tedious to do the mathematics. So let's get started. So you have done what I have given you the assignments in last lecture. So let's get started. So I have a integration 1 by root of x square minus a square into dx equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay guys, so stay tuned with me. So let LHS equal to integration 1 by root of x square minus a square, and we have done in last lecture substitution method on the basis of something. I am going to again do the same thing which I have did earlier. So x equal to a sec theta I am going to put in that, because we know first I will do the difference, I will explain you again, so don't worry about this. So differentiate with respect to x, so you will get dx equal to a, what is the derivative of sec theta? You will get sec theta into tan theta. Am I right, guys? So take a notes and do with me, so you will be able to understand what is going on. So I am going to substitute in the above equation. In place of x I am going to put a sec, and it's a square, so I will write down in power, so it will become, and in place of dx I am going to substitute sec theta into tan theta. Yes, am I right, guys? So this what we have got from expression. So I am going to take a as a common factor, so you can see if I bring it outside, it's a square, so it will come out from square, you will get only a as a common factor, and you can see in numerator there is a sec theta into tan theta into d theta. So I am going to write down a upon a in outside of integral, so it's a constant, so I can bring out outside. So my expression will be become sec square minus 1, and in numerator sec theta into tan theta as a factor, isn't it, guys? So I need your mutual cooperation. So we will be going to solve this integral. So a and a going to cancel. So what is the, do you remember three identity I have talked about earlier? So one of them is root of, in means not root, means I will write them here. If you rearrange the term, you will get this identity as a third identity. If you know 1 plus tan square equal to sec square, if you take rearrange the term, if you rearrange the term on both sides, you will get tan square equal to sec square minus 1. Okay guys, so I am going to write down in bracket sec square as a minus 1 is as a term as tan square. Okay, so I am going to get, it's a root, so one tan will be going to be outside, and we will get sec theta into tan theta upon tan theta. Are you getting, guys? So one tan will be going to be cancelled, so I will get only sec theta. And we know that, I will explain you earlier, I will again going to take, so we don't have any formula for sec theta. Okay, guys, so I'm going to rearrange the term, and I'm going to divide by numerator and denominator by sec plus tan theta, because it's a very challenging question, so I need to explain in a better manner, so you will be able to understand what is going on. So divide sec theta plus tan theta numerator and denominator. So we will going to obtain this expression, sec theta plus tan theta and here also you will get sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, guys, come on, guys, I need your enthusiasm. Are you listening now? So I am going to multiply with a bracket, so I will get sec square theta plus sec theta into tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. You know, I will explain you property number 2. If you do remember property number 1, if, let me explain you formula. Formula number 1 means property number 1. If you remember, in substitution method I have explained you two property. I am going to use property number 1. So it says, if you have expression, if your derivative means function of derivative is present in a numerator and there is function in denominator, so you can directly write down log of f of x plus c. Am I right, guys? So this is a property number 1 I have used here. So your expression, if you see what is the derivative of sec square theta, what is the derivative of sec theta? You will get sec into tan, so it's a present in the numerator part. And what is the derivative of tan theta? Sec square theta, so it's also present. So I am directly going to write down log of function. What is the function? Sec theta plus tan theta, and their derivative is present in numerator side, so I am going to write down sec theta plus tan theta, and we need to again rearrange the term in terms of x. So I am going to replace theta as a in terms of x. So what will be the expression?
10.
So guys, sec theta, how can I write this? 10 in terms of sec. So you know very well, I explained you the identity earlier. You can write like this, and what we have earlier substituted, x equal to a sec theta. So I am going to replace So here, if you rearrange the term, you will get like this. And theta, you will get sec inverse x by a. Are you getting, guys? Same thing as I have got. So this is expression. I am going to substitute here. This is, but our requirement is this one. This is one step I have taken as a reference, so you will be understand. So this is our motto. So in the place of sec theta, I am going to substitute sec as a x by a. If you can see this, x by a plus root of means x upon a the whole square minus 1 plus c. So we will going to get x by a plus, here you will get x a square minus 1 plus c. So our expression, so I am going to take common and rearrange the term. So this will be your expression x square minus a square. I have cross multiply, so you will get this one expression, and I am going to take a common a square, so a will be going to outside, so it will be 1 by a. So our expression look like, so there is another common one, x plus root of a square upon a
square.
So I have got this one, and we know the result of log properties. So here I am going to use log property. Log property what it says, log of a upon b, we can write like this, a log of a minus log of b. So we can also write like this. So I am going to get this expression as a x plus root of x square minus a square minus log a plus c. Assume, and I am going to take, this is also common, this is common and constant, and this is also constant. So I will get another constant, so I can write like this, x plus x square minus a. So I will write down as c as a capital constant, which is combination of log a plus c. Okay, so I will write down here, c is nothing but minus log a plus c as another constant. It's a capital constant. So what we are trying to prove, we got this result and proved our result. So finally I have proved this. So I hope you must have understood what we have did. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will give you 2-3 questions, so you will be able to understand what we have did. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'm going to give you 2 assignments, 2 questions as an assignment. So let me give you a question assignment for you.
एक दो तीन चार विकेट
Evaluate following following. So these are the some good questions I have taken as a assignment for you. So I hope you have understood, and please try to do by yourself. And if you don't get it, please comment in comment box section. So I will explain you in upcoming video. I am going to take this as a challenging question for you. So thanks for watching.